So, Bitmain, send me! Welcome to OneMiners, I'm Lucas and today we are unboxing what is essentially a small submarine engine that happens to mine Bitcoin. So, this OneMiner would have been about 40% of Bitcoin mining power 12 years ago. This is Antminer S21 Hydro 395 terahash per second, plus minus 5%. That's almost 400 terahash. The plus version, because apparently regular 319 terahash wasn't enough for Bitmain, they had to flex. Power consumption 5370 to 5925 watts, 15 joules per terahash. This is actually really good. For comparison, the old S19 XP Hydro was at 20.8 joules per terahash. Your electricity meter will spin so fast it will travel back in time. This thing needs liquid cooling because it runs hotter than my takes on crypto. Alright, unboxing time. Let's cut it like this. I love this part. It's like Christmas. This little paper, this is supplier's declaration of conformity. This is very useful if we are going to ship this thing into Europe. And this one is if you are going to import this thing into America. Silver foil and everything. Oops. There it is. How like. Yeah, this is it. See how beautiful this thing is. Look at the beautiful, sleek industrial look. You are, of course, probably curious what's the size of this thing. I can tell you it's, without the hoses, 340 millimeters cross, 162 millimeters cross, 206 millimeters. Scale time. Hello. So, our beautiful silver scale measured its beautiful silver miner as 14.392. You are running water through this thing at 8 to 10 liters per minute. Yeah, it's cleanest miner in the game. Important thing, no cooling kit included. You need the 12 kilowatt standalone cooling unit. Buy it separately. It's almost December, I have the hat. I might as well be festive about it. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see how low this setup actually is. Okay. I'm hearing like, it's not me, never mind. Ho 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 miners! As you can see, we've got the S21 Plus Hydro here on BBQ table. The external cooling unit is over here and it's all running. This is 12 kilowatt cooling unit. This is doing all the heavy lifting, pulling the heat out of the miner through the water loop. So we have the decibel meter, it's turning on. We are getting around 60 decibels. So total setup noise in this place, we are getting more noise from street out there. Good news, out here on the roof, nobody cares. Let's talk about what matters, money. This 395 terahash miner is putting in approximately $14 to $18 worth of Bitcoin per day. The electricity at 7 cents per kilowatt hour is about $10. So we are looking at $4 to $8 daily profit. That's 120 to 240 per month. Not amazing, but not terrible. Now, here's where it gets interesting. What if I told you you don't have to run miner on a roof? Look at this setup. Cables everywhere. But here's the thing, OneMiners isn't just miner shop. We do hosting. Electricity is starting at 4 cents per kilowatt hour. I'm paying way more than that to run this thing on my roof like maniac. Your miner is running 24/7 while you are sleeping, working, living your life. The AI is doing the work while you are checking your phone for Bitcoin price updates. Link in the description. Check out the hosting option. Your roof will thank you. The S21 Plus Hydro is serious machine. Run it yourself if you are brave. Host it with us if you are smart. Smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't, hit the bell and drop a comment. I'm Lucas and this has been OneMiners. The best time to start mining is now. Happy mining, happy holidays, ho ho ho!